This scene is done, I went ghost, now I'm back, let me father my idiot sons.
Oh, my chest! Oh, my chest! Oh. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. And today we are reacting to Poundz Fake Love. Poundz Fake Love. So we're not waste of time. We're gonna jump in and see what the G has say. And go from there, so let's go. Let's go, G. Don't make it fun.
Hussein.
Ranger with them look nice.
Look, alright. You don't wanna see us, man, fling that live. You don't, and if you think man won't, I bet enough man got drowned when I sing that boat. I kept it humble when I was broken down. Didn't see none of you new faces around. You
Okay, Poundz. Okay, my G. Yeah. Right, this up.
Look, alright. You don't wanna see us, man, fling that live. You don't, and if you think man won't, I bet enough man got drowned when I sing that boat. I kept it humble when I was broken down. Didn't see none of you new faces around. You can stop with a fake love now. Just fuck off, you all can block, clot, drown.
Fuck you and your fake love. If you remember me when me down, me no want to see you when me up. Suck your mother. Me no want to see you when me up, dog. Get away, move up. Move from there. Me no want to see you. You're bright. If you can't appreciate me and love me and be around me when time me down, me no want to see you when me up. You're a things friend. Champion for me real friends. Real pain for me champ friends. Suck on the mother. Me no want to see that now. Ready?
You don't wanna see us, man, fling that live. You don't, and if you think man won't, I bet enough man got drowned when I sing that boat. I kept it humble when I was broken down. Didn't see none of you new faces around. You can stop with a fake love now. Just fuck off, you all can block, clot, drown. You don't wanna see us, man, fling that live. You don't, and if you think man won't, I bet enough man got drowned when I sing that boat. I kept it humble when I was broken down. Didn't see none of you new faces.
Yo, see the man on my road on the country road them? Look at the man on my road on the country road. Me not wish you this one. Look at the man on my road. Man on the road on the two sides of the road them, dog.
And if you think man won't, I bet enough man got drowned when I sing that boat. I kept it humble when I was broken down. Didn't see none of you new faces around. You can stop with a fake love now. Just fuck off, you all can block, clot, drown. On that you can all go drown. I don't want your fake love, man, keep it. I seen all of the snakes, man, breed it. You can never take bad man for an idiot.
Can't take bad man for idiot. And this song don't only go for my fake friends that around me now. Go for them, some of them fake bitches ya too. Some of them fake gal ya too. Some of them fake grass mite ya too. Some of them, alright, calm up on the gal. Don't meet the gal too bad, but you go for some of them group here. Me no want sooner, dog. Me no want sooner.
I know they really wanna be like me. You can never ever be like me. I'm the real OG, not man.
And next thing again, just off topic slightly. Just always remember, say a community where you come from never support you, dog. It's always the people them outside in the diaspora support you. Your community never support you and say, yo, say, yo, I'm a local talent this. Open a business in your community and see. Them not support you unless them have to. Suck on the
man, try and copy my style. I'm the man bringing vibes to the UK scene. Which one of them boost shows won't get dropped? I don't friend up with no one. I'm a madman, come close, get boxed. I know when your fake love, that's wash. I made models in the UK, vid look fun now. Everybody got gal shaking bums. This scene is done, I went ghost, now I'm back. Let me father my idiot sons.
Oh, my chest! Oh, my chest! The man I tell you to say, listen, I me set the bumbuckler trend boy. I me set the trend boy. I me do certain things in a music video. I me have get a shape back in a music video. I only start follow. Me get old, me go to prison, me fall back out. Me come father, somehow no idiot. Una my son, una follow me. If me no shit, uno can't yam. If me not shit on the can, I'm on feel about that. Suck on the mother again. Let's go.
And I'm a madman, come close, get boxed. I know when you fake love, that's wash. I made models in the UK, vid look fun now. Everybody got gal shaking bums. This scene is done, I went ghost, now I'm back. Let me fart for my idiot sons.
Idiot
You wanna
sons.
see us, man, fling that live. You don't.
Go.
And if you think, man, won't. I bet enough man got drowned when I sing that boat. I kept it humble when I was broken down. Didn't see none of you new faces around. You can stop with a fake love now, just fuck off, you all can blood clot drown. You don't wanna see us, man, fling that live. You don't.
You don't.
If you think, man, won't. I bet enough man got drowned when I sing that boat.
Buckler, Poundz, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Poundz. Big up yourself, dog. You're back to take your place. You're back for yours as the cake. That now gonna wear me G. You name Poundz, you know. You don't name pence in my G, you name Poundz. So no boy can't take your spot, my G. You hear that? No boy can't take your one buckler spot. And the man suck the mother. Chuck off. Yeah.
I kept it humble when I was broken down. Didn't see none of you new faces around. You can stop with a fake love now, just fuck off, you all can blood clot drown. This year really made man deep with the snakes ain't there when you're going through a madness. But everybody when I roll to my shows and phone off my phone when gals on badness.
Yo, how much of the man, Poundz, this question is for you. How much of the man them, where in your circle, they put money for your books when you're in prison? How much of the man them come visit? How much of the man them who even think to write a letter? How much of the man them go check your mother and give your mother a thing? How much of the man them go check your baby mother and give your baby mother a thing if you have youth? How much of the man them really do them something? That is loyalty, brother. You have to do it for your G them, dog. How much of the man them do that? How much of the man them see mommy, I got church Sunday morning and say, mommy, see your bills here. See your 2 bills, see your 3 bills here, mommy. You don't know. How much of the man them do that?
To kill every song, every show, what's the next 3 tunes that I drop is a hat trick. Practice makes perfect and I ain't perfect, so I went and I done more practice. Fuck
Yeah.
the fakes, fuck the snakes.
Practice make perfect and I ain't perfect, so I go and do more practice. Cause I want the man who want master him craft.
My phone when gals on badness. True to kill every song, every show, what's the next 3 tunes that I drop is a hat trick. Practice makes perfect and I ain't perfect, so I went and I done more practice. Fuck the fakes, fuck the snakes, fuck the pagans, fuck the jakes, fuck the girls tryna contact man, cause they know I got money and blood clot fame. Unfake frenemies, faking the G's. Broke man hate when they hating on me. Still get paid, don't rate jealousy. More money, more fame, more fake enemies. Like, you don't wanna see us man fling that live. You don't, and if you think man won't, I bet enough man got drowned when I sing that boat. I kept it humble when I was broken down. Didn't see none of you new faces around. You can stop with a fake love now, just fuck off, you all can blood clot drown. You don't wanna see us man fling that live. You don't.
You know, once we do it live, pussy, you don't want to see it. So don't push your luck. You just might get it. Me no want no fake love around me. Not because man I win you now. Me no want to see none of no bumbuckler around me. Walk and live. Talk and bumbuckler there. Alright, a joke. But make up yourself, me G. Solid as a rock. Solid as a rock. Real messages in the song, me G. You fall back from prison right now and you take back your spot and you come father some of them idiot sons there. Because you've been away for a while and they've been unruly. Not popcorn enough, they've been unruly. Pussy them unruly, they're back to take your spot. Alright? So if you enjoy the reaction and want to see more, please leave a like on the video. It's free, guys. It's free. Like the video, dog. Like the video. You like the video yet? Like the video, dog. You like the video yet? Alright, like the video. Thanks. And see you guys in the next one. Alright? Peace. Yes, man. We are outside and the girl them outside.